first order of the day. It's a McDonald's. $7 going 2.5 miles.
All right, here you go. Have a good day.
You too. What does it say? No porch light. I'll meet you outside. All right. Total ended up being $7.25 for that order. Not sure why they had to lie to me, but okay. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A, $9.75 going just under 7 miles. Not the greatest order, but I think I delivered to this person a few days ago, or maybe last week. So I know where it's going, and they tipped pretty well. As I was pulling in, I got an Uber order for Chick-fil-A. So it's $8.75 going 1 mile. So I took that one as well. Okay, yeah, it is going to the same person. Their instructions were all wrong last time, so I know exactly where it is. What? No hidden tip on that one? Oh well, I took the risk on it. Unfortunate. Next order up is IHOP, $9 going 4 miles. I'm right next to it, so I feel like it's gonna be a bit of a wait.
Not ready.
Not ready?
All right, fellow Dasher.
Quick signature and you're good to go.
Thank you. Bit of a wait, as I expected. The restaurant must have gotten the order at the same time that I did. Oh well, this is still a good order. All right, next order up is a Starbucks. This is $12 and some change going about 6 miles. Most of the mileage was driving to the restaurant itself downtown, which means more than likely this is going to somebody's workplace. Oh, you guys are killing me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I was right. It says leave at reception. Also, the drop-off is like 2 streets over from the restaurant, but it's on a one-way street, so I have to make my way around. There you go. Have a good one. Your next order up is a Seize the Bagel, $7.75 going about 4.5 miles. Thank you. Next order just came in. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $11.75 going about 5.5 miles. Only one item. Not even open. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next order just came in. This is a Starbucks, $7.25 going 4.5 miles. Next order came in right away. This is crumble cookies, $11.75 going 6 miles. Thank you. Wait, I just realized this is a gift. I didn't know that they wrote little notes on the box. This one says, "Happy Friday, blank. Just thinking of you. Hope you have a great day and weekend. Love you." How sweet is that? Hello.
Hey.
Just gotta drop off for work.
Got it. I can take them straight
Okay,
back to
thank
her.
you so much.
Thank you.
All right, next orders came in. This is for Crumble Cookies and IHOP, which are pretty close to each other, and they're going to 2 different customers, but the customers are like 1 street away from each other. This should be a good one. Total was $16.25 going 7 miles. Thank you. It's 1 down, 1 to go. Thank you. You too. All right, where are we going? Next order up is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $13.75 going under 6 miles, only 1 item.
So, I don't know, let's go see if there's any down there. There might be some down there.
What happened there? All right, and then just scribble on that line. Thank you. Good enough for me. Good to go.
Thanks, honey. You have a good day.
You
Stay
as well.
safe.
Thank you. Next order up is for 5 guys. This is like $9 going 4 miles.
Oh, no.
And it looks like this is going to a school. Luckily, it's an elementary school, so I don't gotta worry about finding the kid, because this is going to a staff member. And I just got my next order lined up after this. It is for Silver Dragon, $9 going about 4 miles. I believe it's a Chinese restaurant, but I don't remember. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hello. Good, you? Thank you so much. Yeah, I think that Chinese food got to me. I'm gonna end it here and go pick some up for myself. Current time is 11:43. Current total is 122. And I have 2 Uber tips to come in. So let's go ahead and say 130, 135. Pretty good, I'd say. Definitely noticed a lot more orders coming in today. So I'm assuming everyone's paying off their holiday debts. Anyways, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.